Hey guys, I'm out this week. I just wanted to give you a rundown of what the plan is. A lot of it is going to be put on you, but I'm going to give you a ton of resources, so don't be too afraid. But you know, I've been using Google Classroom. This looks exactly like every other one has looked. Mainly, I wanted to point to our calendar. So when you open it up, you'll see that we did all the statics notes that you needed before we left for spring break. Hope you had a great spring break. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, we're just going to hit some of these problems. You might not have gotten through all of the ones that are listed from Thursday and Friday before we left. We did a couple of these in class, and a couple of them are going to look really familiar. It might be worth starting there to just kind of refresh your memory. After that, your job in class is to finish 10 through 13 and numbers 15 on Monday, these on Tuesday, and then finally these on Wednesday. When I come back, we'll do a mastery quiz. How this mastery quiz goes is going to be really telling of how much work you put in. And then we'll do some review. We'll throw out some whiteboard problems, and then we're going to take that test on Tuesday. So it feels like it's pretty short, but it's because we did all the front work before we left for spring break.